Hello tech lovers. 15 to 20 days after solving the light flickering problem last time, the problem came back. That time I used contact cleaner. So I came up with a new method to solve the problem. Let's open the flashlight first. Today I will use WD-40. Shake it well before use. I was niggardly pressing slowly so that little came out, but a lot came out. Just kidding. Actually, since the liquid is in an airtight container, it has to be pressed very carefully, or else a lot comes out with little pressure. Blow out excess liquid with blower air. The blinking or flickering problem is no more. Let me share with you a trick that I told in the previous video. If you don't have contact cleaner or WD-40, you can use hair oil. I mean coconut oil. But my recommendation is WD-40 because in this test I got the best results with WD-40. Due to many scratches of light emission plastic, its transparency is greatly reduced. So I applied WD-40 to improve the transparency. the blinking or flickering problem is no more. To get more videos like this, you can like and subscribe my channel. Name Tech Info 001 English. Thank you.